Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom property is located in the upscale community of Flamingo Beach, Trelawny, and is within 10 minutes walking distance from the beach, 10 minutes drive from the town of Falmouth, and 20 minutes from the Donald Sangster International Airport. This property is incomplete and is an income earner as it contains 2 separate 1-bedroom flats. It comes with 2 kitchens, living and dining area, balcony, laundry area, and garage for 3 cars. The land area of this house is approximately 7,461 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.